Hello everybody, how you guys doing? I hope you've been doing amazing. Happy New Year to you all. I know it's been a minute. Please pardon me. Life has been lifing, but hey, well, life I'm grateful. I hope you've been doing well. I started this morning routine, guys. This eye bag is killing me. Like I don't know what the problem is. I don't know how to get rid of it. So I decided to get this ordinary minis discovery set. Guess what? TikTok made me buy it. So I got it. I decided to try it and just put myself into a routine. I've never done this before. So this is my first time. This is actually my first day trying it. I know it's gonna be like some mix up here and there, but please bear with me. So this is the product I got. It comes in a set of six products. Um it was pretty affordable. It was less than 30 dollars or 40. I can't remember. But hey, I decided to get this just like small set, making sure that I'll be able to keep to the routine. So the very first one that I got out of the box right now is the squalene cleanser. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Please pardon me. And the next one we have the finish moist natural moisturizer, and then the small bottles are the serum. We have the serum comes with the niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and the caffeine solution. And we also have the glycolic acid 7% for which is an exfoliating toner. I'm not really good at all this skincare thing. I'm still new to it. So please, please, please don't judge. Just let me know what I'm doing wrong in the comment section, what I should do right. And please, if you have any recommendation of how to get rid of eye bags, I really appreciate it. Like this is one of the insecurities I'm dealing with. Like every time I do my makeup, like those eye bags are just gonna pop. I don't know what the problem is. I'm trying my best to get some sleep, but again, maybe something out there can help. So I'm starting the routine by using like ice. I know someone recommended me to use ice or maybe soak my face in a bowl of ice. That's what I'm doing right now. She said it kind of helps to like constrict those vessels a little bit, and she was like especially under my eyes, if I apply the ice a little bit, it's gonna like help it constrict. That the reason why it's really puffy most of the time is because it's dilated and the blood vessels are dilated and kind of like absorb and have water sitting on there. I don't know. Let me know if I'm having that right, but so I'm just putting that ice on my face. It really felt good doing that. So once I apply the ice, I just use a paper towel. I always clean my face with paper towel, not a towel. I use a regular paper towel, soft, so I just pat dry my face right there, as you can see, and making sure that everything is damped and looking ready to start the process. So the very first product is to use the squalene cleanser, and this squalene cleanser is a moisturizing cleanser that helps dissolve makeup, dirt, and impurities. So I just use that, put it on my finger, but it is recommended for you to warm it up on your finger first for it to turn into like an oily texture before putting it on your face. But I just went ahead and just put that on my face and just rub that in until it dissolves. As you can see, it turned from that white texture into kind of like an oily form. So I just put that all over my face, rub that in, as you can see. Again, that's the first product that I use. So I use the cleanser, rub it all over my face, and just went ahead to wash it whenever I was ready. And after washing it, again, as I said, I use my paper towel to always clean my face. That is what I've been using. So I just take a paper towel and just pat dry my face, like slowly but surely. We're getting there. So I just pat dry all over, getting my face ready for the next step. So step two is for us to use the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. So this product can be used in the morning and in the evening. So this is the niacinamide we have right now. I'm just gonna put like few drops on my face. I make sure I don't have too much. I just put one on the jaw and other on the other side of the cheek, sorry, on my forehead and a little bit under my chin, and then just tap that in. Like I don't rub it in, I just tap 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 till I get that into the skin. Like guys, I don't know how you guys keep up with this routine, because this six product for me is just too much. If there's a way for me to get less than six product and still be able to do this morning routine, I would really appreciate it. So if you have any recommendations, please drop that in the comment section. I really appreciate it. So once I have the niacinamide on my face and after it has been absorbed, what I'm going to do next is to make sure I go over with my hyaluronic acid 2%. So was it by joining it? Anyways, I'm actually rushing, but right now we're patting it on the face, making sure it gets to the skin as much as it can. And whenever that is ready, then we'll move to the next product, which is our hyaluronic acid 2%. So this is a daily serum. It boosts hydration, supports the skin barrier, and plumps the skin. So what I basically do is just get some few drops, the same process like the niacinamide. Put some drops on each cheek, on my forehead, and under my chin. And if you notice, anytime I rub that in, I make sure I get it down my neck a little bit, like on my chin area and down. So I just make sure I distribute it evenly everywhere, and then just start tapping on it, tapping on the product, making sure it gets to the skin. I hope I'm doing it right, but this is what I've been trying to do for myself. If there's any recommendation, again, I really appreciate it in the comment section. So once I have that down on my chin and the product is ready, I will go ahead with the caffeine solution. I really hope this helps. People swear by the fact that it helps with the eye bag. I really hope it's going to help me at least get it a little bit better. So this is my face after applying all those products. So we're moving on to the caffeine solution. This caffeine solution 5% is an eye serum that targets the look of dark circles and reduce puffiness. So what you do, I'm putting it on my pinky finger and just put it directly under my eye. And if you've noticed from the beginning, I didn't apply any other product around that area. I did above my eyelids, but under my eye I did not. So this is the only product that's been going under my eyes so far during this process. So I just use my ring finger to tap the product in, make sure it is well absorbed. I do not use the glycolic acid during the day, I use it in the evening. So that's the only product I incorporate in my nighttime routine. Basically the same thing that I do now, I do it at night, but I incorporate the exfoliating toner, the glycolic acid. So guys, let me know how I did, okay? This is the finished look. I hope I did okay. Let me know your recommendations in the comment section. This is the last step, putting on the moisturizer on my face, just sealing everything in. So this is a daily moisturizer for instant surface hydration and long-term barrier support. So I just get a little bit and just set that all over my face. I hope you love this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for always stopping by, for your continued support, and welcome to all my subscribers. Again, I'm using the ordinary product, and if you used this before, let me know what you think and let me know what I can do to have less product to use in a day. See you in my next video. Stay safe.